Welsh Women's Aid is the national charity in Wales working to end domestic abuse and all forms of violence against women. We support and coordinate a national membership of specialist services up and down the country. So we have 27 specialist services delivering support for families and communities in Wales, from refuges, community-based support and helplines. Welsh Women's Aid is coming up to our 40th year in 2018, and one of the things we've developed is a project called 40 Voices, 40 Years, to commemorate our movement to end domestic abuse and all forms of violence against women in Wales. And we really want to make sure that we can capture the memories and the materials and the information that's been part of our movement over the last 40 years, and also the successes of the movement, and the stories of individual women and survivors who've been through services and try to create that change. So the Hanfod grant in particular is going to be fantastic for us, because it'll enable us not only to capture stories and survivors' experiences and memories digitally, so that we've got a digital archive, but actually the grant will help us take the exhibition out to local community to ask them what we actually still need to do over the next 40 years.